Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to fix Safari not working on iPhone. The first thing that I would recommend you do is go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Safari. Once you have selected Safari, right where you see search engine suggestions, you will simply toggle that on and off. And right where you see Safari suggestions, I would recommend that you turn that on, off, and then you'll turn it on. But I would recommend that you turn it off first and try and see if Safari starts to work. And if it still isn't working, you'll turn it back on. Then you're going to scroll down, and right where you see clear history and website data, you'll tap right there and you'll tap on clear history and data. And after doing that, if after doing all of that it is still not working, what I would recommend you do is check if your iPhone needs updating. Some of the time your iPhone may need updating, so you will tap on General, then Software Update, and you will check if your device has the latest iOS. If it has the latest iOS, what I would recommend you do, while in General, you're going to scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then you're going to tap on Reset. Then you will tap on Reset Network Settings. And once you have done that, normally Safari will start working again. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.